Hello everyone, welcome back to Terri-Ann Designs. Today we'll be making a spring themed hanging sign, so let's get started. For this project you are going to need a blank hanging sign. I got mine from Hobby Lobby. You are also going to need Cricut vinyl and supplies, and I will be using a Cricut Joy Extra machine today. So first of all, you are going to want to upload your design to Cricut Design Space. I bought this from Etsy and have linked the product down below. Once you have uploaded it, I'm going to be making mine 4 inches because my string is right here. Once you've measured your blank, load your mat and cut out your design. Now that your design has cut off of your Cricut, weed it. And I will be using my True Control weeding kit for this. Now that you have weeded your design, take some transfer tape and carefully align your design onto your Cricut blank and brayer it down. So this is how your sign should look, and I love how this turned out. Thank you guys for joining me this weekend, and I will see all of you next week. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great rest of your day.